Hey beginner illustrators, are you just getting ready to start planning your very first illustrated picture book? I have a step one suggestion for you that is going to make everything so much easier and level up your game to looking pro fast. I want to show you my really easy spread planning symbols. But first I want to tell you why they're so important. Before you begin sketching your story, using spread planning symbols on a pagination planner is an essential first step. Check out my pagination planner link in the description box below. These symbols that I've given to you can help you map out where each type of illustration will go. Double page spreads for big immersive moments, single page spreads for more intimate scenes, and smaller formats like spotlights or vignettes to highlight quick actions or details. By planning these choices early, you can create a rhythm that keeps readers engaged, balancing high-impact visuals with quieter pauses. Thoughtful pacing not only strengthens the storytelling flow, but also ensures variety and visual interest from the first page to the last. And remember, this is just your first step. After you use the spread planning symbols to map out the pacing of your illustrations, you'll then move on to sketching in your thumbnails in a pagination planner. But this is step one. Let me show you how it works. These symbols are for the very beginning of storyboarding illustration. They're specifically helpful for the illustrators, whether you're the writer who is suggesting to the illustrator, if you're working with another illustrator, you can use these symbols to suggest where you want certain types of illustration. Now, when I say types of illustration, check out another video I have, but I'm speaking of whether it's a double page spread, a single page spread, a spotlight, framing, or vignette. These are the top 5 most popular types of illustration in picture book for the pages. And so this tool could be used for a writer to pass on information to an illustrator, or if you are the illustrator of your own picture book, you can use this to pace out your illustrations. Now, let me give you a quick overview of what that would mean to pace out your illustrations. In the beginning, right before you would even sketch thumbnails, you could have a look at your manuscript and the pages that you've broken it up into. And you can look and say, I want to open up this storybook with a double page spread. And that's my symbol for a double page spread. Then you can say, okay, we've got this great double page spread, like a boom right in the beginning. Now let's move to a single page spread, and I'm going to make up a hypothetical character, a panda named Meggie. So Meggie the panda is putting on her shoes, and I'm going to do 3 little spotlights here, and this is my spotlight symbol. And this tool helps you to go through and do a quick pacing, because one thing we don't want to do is cluster too many of the same page types all together. For example, you don't want to just have like a whole bunch of double page spreads in a row. You want to have like just a nice pacing and spread out of your types, and it also really distributes your work and really like the amount of time you're going to put into different illustration types. It helps to distribute that evenly through the book as well. So it does help you with the amount of work you're going to do. And, once in a while, you'll throw in just a simple framing, and you'll say, oh, this page can be a frame, and I don't really have to illustrate a full picture here. And so this is a great tool for the illustrators and for the writer to pass on ideas to the illustrators. Thanks for sticking around on this video to let me show you how I use my spread planning symbols as step 1 to planning my illustration for picture books. I create resources to help support you as a picture book creator. If you do love to write a narrative picture book with a clear beginning, middle, and end story arc, I have a picture book template story builder. You can find the links below. It's a fill-in-the-blank tool designed to walk you through every part of brainstorming and building your story. from characters and setting to plot and structure, right up to that final first draft. You'll find the link in the description box below. It's a really helpful tool. Check it out. I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you don't miss a video, and until next time, picture book creators, happy creating.